Are you making money online, or do you actually have an online business? The difference is very subtle but incredibly important, and it comes down to a plan. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a plan for your online business so that you're not just making extra money online, but you actually have multiple streams of income that add up to more than you actually need in a month, or as much as you need in a month, whatever your goals are. It all comes down to a plan, and we're going to cover that in this video. This is video number 2 in my series, Crush It on Kajabi in 90 Days. In these 90 videos, in 90 days, I'm going to be talking about Kajabi and how it can help you in your online business by giving you all the tools that you need to run and grow a successful online business. And I got 2 things for you if you decide to jump into Kajabi right now. If you go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, you can get a free call with me, a 45-minute Zoom call with me, where I'm going to help you get started on Kajabi and get you successful right away, or help get you successful right away. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi, like you sign on to one of their plans, you can get my free $25,000 course launch email template, which is the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. So I want to put that in your hands for free as a way to say thank you for trying out my link. And if you're going to do that, if you're going to try out Kajabi, you might as well use my link. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission for that, so I appreciate it very much. So let's talk about your online business plan. Anyone can get started making money online and just kind of experiment with things. And that's actually how I got started and did this for several years. I would just kind of say, hey, I wonder if this will work, or I wonder if that will work, or I wonder if that will work. And I would just try things to see what would actually work, what I was interested in. And there's nothing wrong with that. But if you've done a little bit of that and you want something that's more sustainable and more predictable in terms of the income that you get and what you can expect to grow over time, then I'm going to give you in this video 4 essential parts of your online business plan that you can use. And all 4 of these can be utilized on Kajabi, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video and in the future videos in this series. So, you ready to get started? Let's go. The first thing you need is content. When it comes to online business, content is everything. Content is how people find you. It's how you are proven as a resource. It's how you gain credibility, and it's how you offer value long before you ever ask for anything in return. So you want to start a content plan. I suggest being on YouTube. I suggest having a podcast, and a lot of times putting those 2 things together. So in other words, you post a YouTube video, you take that audio out of it, and you put it up on a podcast. I also suggest maybe being on something like TikTok. Now, I'll get to social media and its role. If you think about traditional social media like Facebook or Instagram, I'll get to that in future videos. For this, what I'm talking about is just the main content that you're producing that is in your niche and in your expertise, where you are sharing your knowledge about a given topic. YouTube is a great place to be. Podcasting, which you can also now host completely on Kajabi. That's a brand new feature they just rolled out. I'll get to that in a future video in the series. And something like TikTok if you want to do short form video. And I would suggest posting an original, helpful piece of content at least once a week. The second thing you're going to do is build up your email list. Now, the way you're going to do this is in your free content that you're giving out every single week, you are going to invite people to download what's called a lead magnet. I have a video right here all about lead magnets if you want to check out how to make one and the role they play in your online business. But you can host your lead magnet on Kajabi on a landing page. And so you might be teaching on how to grow tomatoes in your garden. In the YouTube video, you're showing people how to do it. You're telling people, here's when you plant, here's the kind of seeds you need to buy. And so you might say, hey, I have a checklist all about every single thing you need to get started growing tomatoes in your garden. You can download it at such and such website / whatever, and all of that is hosted and utilized by Kajabi. So that's a really easy way to do it, and that gets people from step 1, your content, to step 2, your email list. Now, the next thing you're going to do is continue to provide value. You can do this because you now have these people's email list. So step 3 is the value, where you're going to maybe email them over the next couple of days. And all of this is set up using an email automation sequence in Kajabi, which I'll talk about how to do a little bit later in this series. But maybe you send them tips and tricks and strategies over the next couple of days so that you're continuing to provide value. So they went from seeing your video on YouTube, right? If you think of it like a funnel, it's at the top of the funnel. They see your video on YouTube, it's free, it's helpful, and they would just watch it and go to the next video if it weren't for your lead magnet. Now you've got them on your email list and you've given them even more value. And you continue to provide value to the point where they're going, hey, this person is someone that I know, I like, and I trust. I know them because they're showing up. I like them because, man, they're just a likable person. They give great and helpful content. And I trust them because what they say to do works. So you're building know, like, and trust, and all of that is happening between the content, the email list, and the extra value. The fourth thing you're gonna do is you're going to give them an offer. Now the offer in this case might be an online course where you say, hey, if you wanna go deeper with growing tomatoes in your garden, I have this course. It's $97 and it's gonna take you through step-by-step everything you need to do end to end, how to grow tomatoes in your garden, just as an example. And that mini course can easily be built on Kajabi. The offer can be built on Kajabi. The checkout pages can be built on Kajabi. All of this, every step of the way, can go through and be hosted by Kajabi, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. But in this video, I just wanted you to kind of map out what it might look like if you were to have a plan for your online business and what you would do first, second, and third. So at this point, I want you to make a content plan. What are you gonna do for your content? What's it gonna be about? Once you have that, I want you to begin to think about your lead magnet, how you're gonna get people from the content to the email list. It might be a checklist, it might be a PDF that's really helpful, it might be a free audio training that you do, something that people have to give you their email address in exchange for access to. It's free, but you get their email address. Then I want you to think about what are the first emails that you're gonna send these people, that you're gonna set up automatically within Kajabi and send to the people that get on your email list. How are they gonna be helpful? What are you gonna send to them? How are you gonna provide even more value? And then what is the offer going to be? Are you gonna build a mini course? Are you gonna build a flagship course? Are you gonna invite them to join a membership site that you create within Kajabi? What's all that gonna look like? And if this seems intimidating, don't let it be. This doesn't happen overnight. This is why I'm doing 90 days of videos, because I wanna walk you through step by step how to do each one of these steps. So for right now, just focus on the next step that you have to take and let me know in the comments how it's going. And speaking of next steps, here's what I got for you. Join Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of these videos in this series. And then in the comments below, ask me a question. Let me know what you're thinking about Kajabi and how I can help. So you can continue in this series, or you can click right here in this playlist and learn even more about Kajabi and if it's right for you. I'll see you in the next video.